Hello and welcome back to Mrs. Ree's channel. Today I need your help to fit this puzzle pieces back together again. We are looking for some shapes that have one peg hole. Correct. It's the orange circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're looking for puzzle pieces that have 2 peg holes. Where could they be? Correct, it's the yellow rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we are looking for 1, 2, 3. 3 peg holes. It's our green triangles. 1, 2, and 3. 4. Next we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4 peg holes. It's the squares. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. And our last one, we need to find puzzle pieces that have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 peg holes. Correct, it's the pentagon shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! This is a circle, a rectangle, a triangle, a square, and a pentagon. There is 1 hole in the circles. There are 2 holes in the rectangle. There are 3 holes in the triangles. There are 4 holes in the squares. And there are 5 holes in the pentagons. This is orange. This is yellow. This color is green, blue, and red. Well done. See you in the next one. Bye.